It has been a weird year. Weird is probably an understatement. Like, it's not enough to encompass all the feelings that 2020 was. And going into 2021, there's a lot ahead of us. But I'm here because I felt like I wanted to do something small to just spread a little bit of cheer, positivity. So I'm going to be doing a series of giveaways. I've done this in the past before, but I figured if there was any time to do a series of giveaways, now would be the time. Pretty much how this is going to go is each giveaway video will have one item, but two winners. So two of the exact same item will be going to two separate winners. In order to enter each video, you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube and Instagram. My Instagram will be linked down below in the info box, but also it's just my name, Anisha Velotti. I will be asking a question in each giveaway, and you have to comment underneath the giveaway video with your answer. And if you don't have Instagram, because that's happened in the past, just let me know in the comments down below when you comment, and that way I am aware that I'm not double checking on Instagram to make sure that you are following me. I thought I would start with more of a self-care item than a makeup item for the first giveaway, and the first item I have is from Wishful. This is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I've talked about this in a favorites video. This is Huda Beauty's skincare brand, and this enzyme scrub is amazing. It is a chemical exfoliator paste that you put onto clean, damp skin and you rub it. And as you rub it, the enzymes actually eat away at dead skin, and your dead skin starts to like pill and collect, and it is gnarly but also fascinating. So smoothing. It's amazing for brightening, for evening your skin tone. If you have hyperpigmentation, with continued use it can help to balance out and even out your skin tone too. Two people will be getting their very own full-size Yo Enzyme Glow. If there is any time for self-care, now is that time. So this giveaway's question is, leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing about yourself is. I know it's a little deep, little emotional, but I am just now a little late to the game, realizing how important self-love, self-care, positive self-talk really is, and what a big impact it has on your mental state. So in the spirit of spreading some positivity, I thought that's a great first question. So let me know what your favorite thing about yourself is in the comments, and in about 3 to 4 days I will announce the winner, and I will contact you via Instagram, or if you don't have an Instagram, via email. Just leave your email with your comment. And it is not internationally open at this point in time. I'm so sorry, but I will get you guys internationally soon, I promise. You can enter as many giveaways as you want. There are tons more coming, but each giveaway, you only are allowed one entry. So good luck to everyone, and I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway series. Thank you all, as always, for supporting me, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.